Hello my friends, how are you? I hope you're doing great. So for today's video, I'm going to be trying some products, some makeup products that I bought at TJ Maxx that I went recently, and I'm dying to try them out. So if you want to see how they look and perform, then keep on watching. Okay, so let me show you what I got at TJ Maxx. That day, it was the grand opening. It was full, but not that full because it landed on a Thursday. And I think that's why it wasn't so exaggerated, even though it was a grand opening. But I'm super glad they opened TJ Maxx here in my town, because the nearest one that I have to drive like 45 minutes to get there if I'm lucky. If there's traffic, I would take maybe like 50 minutes or 55, close to an hour. That was too far. But it was good, and I found a couple of things that I wanted to try out to see if I like it, because I've never tried it before. And they didn't have any foundation that I wanted to try out, so I'm just gonna use my About Face, this one. So in case you're curious about this foundation, you still haven't tried it, the About Face foundation, I like it. I think it does a great job. The only problem is the applicator. When you're gonna take out the product, it splashes everywhere, and that's why I kind of stopped using it, because it's very annoying. I used it right now and I got like 2 drops on the floor that I have to clean up. So it's very annoying, you know what I mean? But it's a good foundation, don't get me wrong. I like it. I just don't like the applicator. It's way too tight in there, and when you're gonna pull it off, you have to jolt it out, and it's annoying because it's very messy. Let me just show you with and without, in case you were curious. It's not full, but you can build it up. Here you can see with and without. I like it. I hate having foundation on my lips. But I want to talk about this next product because I got that there too. Look how cute. This is perfect for like a stocking stuffer. This is the Pixie Hello Kitty Lip Tone. It's a pH reactive tint. Super cute. They had this there for $5.99. I mean, it's so pretty. Look at it. And I'm dying to try this out on my lips because I've heard great things about Pixie's lip products. So a little bit about this. It says enriched with rose hip seed oil and mango butter. This hydrating and softening formula leaves a unique hint of tint color that is just naturally you. So let's see what color this changes. I just love the packaging. Look how cute the packaging. Isn't that so freaking pretty? So it's like a squeezy tube. Let's see. As long as it's hydrating, I don't really mind the color. Oh my, this is darker than I thought. Look at this. This is so dark. I did not think it was gonna be this dark. Don't get me wrong, it's a beautiful shade. So of course it has no shade name because it's just depending on your pH level, and I guess I don't know what this means, but it's very intense. Like it's basically like a very pigmented lip gloss. If I would have known it was that intense, I would have like lined my lips first, but well, it's there. Let's see. They feel good. It doesn't feel sticky. My lips feel hydrated, so let's continue. So I didn't get no concealer. I'm just gonna add the one that I've been using lately, which is by ColourPop. This is the Pretty Fresh by ColourPop. So this next product I want to talk about is by Milk Makeup, and this is the translucent powder. It says it's translucent light. They had this there for $9.99, and this is the Pore Eclipse Matte Translucent Setting Powder. And I've never tried their powders, and I love trying powders because I have an oily T-zone. So let's see if this one works and becomes one of my favorites, which I am hoping that it does. I love the packaging. It's all black. I put some in the cap right here. Let's see, let's try this. Ooh, hopefully I like it. And it actually controls my oils. That's what I look for in powders. It does look more smoother. Okay, here it is. Looks pretty good. It reminds me a lot of my other favorite powder, which was by Beauty Bakery, that one. It reminds me of that one. So I think I'm gonna like it. Let's see. I don't have a new eyeshadow palette. I'm just gonna use this one. This is the Alter Ego Miss Haven palette, which I bought recently. This is gorgeous. This is perfect for like an everyday type of thing. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go in with this one, which I have a huge dent in there. I know that's gonna be the first one that I'm gonna hit pan on. I'm gonna keep the eyes simple so I could actually show you the rest of the stuff that I bought. But so far I'm liking everything. I'm not too sure how I feel about this color. This color is way too intense for me because it said a natural look, but this is not natural on me. The color you see, that's the color that I'm seeing right now. So I'm just gonna put this color above my crease like that. I'm also gonna put that same color at the lower lash line, and I'm using the same brush. Now with a smaller brush, I'm gonna go in with this shade. It's slightly deeper than the first one. And I'm just gonna place that in the crease only. It's very similar to the first one, but just a little bit deeper. Put that a little bit closer down here. And connect it in the outer corner. And now with an angled brush, I'm gonna take this shade over here and do like a little liner on top right here, just halfway. You can also create like a wing with this, but I'm not doing that today. I just want to darken the lash line. That's literally all I do for the eyes. It literally takes me like 5 minutes or under to do that. Okay, so this next one I saw there, they had this for, they don't have the price here, darn it. Okay, this is the e.l.f. Lash and Roll. I've heard a lot of people use it and say that they like it. So I wanted to try it, and this is the curling and lifting clean and vegan formula. So yeah, I want to try this one because I ran out of all my mascaras. The two that I have, which I like both, are running very low. Like I have to go in with 4 or 5 coats to get something out of it, and I needed one. So I wanted to try this one and see if it works for me. Of course I got shade black. Okay, let's see. This is actually very tiny, but it's good because you can really get close to the base of your lashes. I hope I like this one because lately I've been trying new mascaras and they're all been bad quality. They don't do anything for my lashes. They don't curl it. They don't give no volume, no length. I have to declutter those. If you're interested in seeing a decluttering video, I got a lot of products that I could completely declutter even though they're full because they don't work for me. And this one right now, I'm not impressed. Second coat. Let's see, give me something, come on. If I'm not impressed with this one, this is the second mascara that I've tried from e.l.f. that I don't like. Let's see. I would say this is definitely more on the natural side. Like if you naturally have long lashes, you will like this because it's going to give you a little more length. It does not give no type of volume at all. No volume. I'm getting a little bit of length, so that's about it. And this is the third coat. They're very, 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 very natural. Okay, so here it is with 3 coats. You be the judge. It gave me a little more length, but no volume, and the length is not that much either. So I don't know how I feel about this. Let me finish this eye and I'll give you my final thoughts. Okay, there you have them. What do you think? Not really impressed that much. I don't know how I feel about it. You let me know. Anyway, I added a little bit of bronzer by NYX. This is not new. I've used it a lot. Look how I hit pan on it again. But I did get one of the Buxom blushes. This is another shade because I had bought one recently and I love the formula, I love the color and everything. It's become my favorite blush, so I wanted to get another shade. They had this there for $9.99 and this is the shade GOA, I guess. So I want to try this one to see if I like the color as much as the other one that I have. Oh, it's darker. It's way darker. I did not think it was going to be that dark. Look at it there. Look how dark that is. It does not look like this color at all, does it? This one looks more pinky. I think I'm gonna have to go very light-handed with this because they're very pigmented. Very, very pigmented. And this one's way more darker. So let me start with just one little like that. Because I know this could go out of hand quickly. Ooh, but the color looks very pretty. If you're deeper than me, you're probably gonna love this color. I don't know if you can see it, but I can see it clearly. It looks very beautiful. Ooh, I like it. It's a bit too deep for me, I would say. But since I only use very little of it, it's okay. I like that color. Okay, so the last item I'm gonna try out is the setting spray. This is by Milk Makeup again, and they had this there for $6.99 actually. This is the Pore Eclipse Matte Setting Spray. So it says it's a lightweight matte setting spray made with niacinamide and lentil extract to lock on makeup, control shine, and blur pores. Interesting. So let's try this out. Let's open it up. Hopefully I like it because it says it's matte. I love the packaging of Milk Makeup. It's so good. Do I have to shake this or something? Let me see. It says direction, shake well. Yes, we do. Ooh, I like the little mist of it. It's not harsh. Love that. Let me dry this up with a fan and I'll be back. Everything is set. It's not sticky or anything like that. And it dries really fast. I'm liking everything that I purchased. Let me give you a quick little rundown. So the little lip tone, it feels extremely comfortable on the lips, super soft. It's not goopy, it's not streaky, and it's not sticky. So I like it. I don't know about the color, but I like it. The powder is looking great so far. And I'm not even shiny or anything like that, so that's looking great so far. I hope I like it. I'm gonna continue using it. If my thoughts change, I'll leave like a pinned comment in the comment section, if anything. The blush, even though it's a deeper blush, I used very little of it. I just have to use very little of it, but it's great. These are very good quality, these blushes. I really do love them. The e.l.f. mascara, ooh. This is not it. Not for me. If you have normal lashes, not like mine are really short and straight down, you're probably gonna like it because it'll look great on you. But for me, that I need all the help that I could get, I really need lengthening, curling, and volume, and this is not giving me that, unfortunately. This is the second mascara that I tried from e.l.f. and I don't like it. I can't remember the first one that I tried. A Big Mood. I hated that one. Comparing this one to that one, I think I prefer this one a little bit more, but the other one sucks. So I would say if you're like me and you have short, straight lashes, skip on this. It's not good. The setting spray I'm liking so far. I love the little mist to it. It was fine. It's not shooting out and putting water drops on your face. So I have to test that out to see if it actually controls my oils. But so far I'm happy with everything except for the mascara. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button because that helps me out a lot. I hope you're having a great day or night, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.